Welcome to 4140 Montaigne Drive in Pensacola, Florida. Today I'm here to give you a full video tour of our new listing that we have coming soon, located up off Scenic Highway in the neighborhood of Baycliff Estates. So this home has a brand new roof, just put on, new gutters as well, perfectly maintained home, beautiful pavers on the driveway as well on the side of the home. I'll take you over there in just one second. One thing I do want to point out before we go ahead and go in, we have an awesome neighborhood park located just directly next to this home. So this is great if you have little ones. There's a side gate in the backyard too that opens right up to this park. And I will give you a little preview of that once we get into the backyard. We have some basketball courts too in the back there too. So as I was saying, the roof on this home and the gutters are brand new. The HVAC and water heater are 2 years old, so everything on this house is ready to go. We have a nice storm door here on the front porch and the back porch as well. So coming into the main entryway here, you can see straight ahead of us is into the living room. Everything has been freshly painted in this house. We have some really nice vaulted ceilings with original beams in here, giving for a nice spacious feel in the living space with a wood-burning fireplace. To the right over here, we have our kitchen and breakfast nook. Some nice plantation shutters. New windows as well in this home. Now they have just done a wonderful job in this home. All new recessed lighting, as you can see in the kitchen here. New soft close cabinetry, doors and drawers. Beautiful subway tile backsplash. Quartz countertops, just brand new appliances. Just gorgeous in here. They just did a really wonderful job picking out all the finishes in this home. Nice farm style sink over here. Lots of natural light in here. And this leads over into the formal dining room. Just off the kitchen here, and is open to the living space. First, I'm going to take you back and show you the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on this side of the house. Straight in front of us, we have the hall bath with a double vanity, brand new, just installed, as well as the mirror and light fixtures and recessed lighting in here as well. Our first bedroom over here is on the front side of the house. Blinds throughout this home as well, and again, new windows. All new fixtures, ceiling fans in here. Nice hall storage linen closet. And the second bedroom here on the front side of the house. This one is just off the front porch on the front side of the house. Over into the master bedroom here, we have a brand new granite countertop vanity in here as well. Some really nice mirrors that they've just updated, and lighting as well in this bathroom with recessed lighting. The master suite here actually has 3 closets in here. Let me turn around and give you a little preview of this. So we have his and hers closets and a 3rd additional closet for extra storage for all of your storage needs. Now this backyard is such a treat. I can't wait to show you guys. It's the perfect entertaining space. So we have some glass French doors here that go out into this wonderful screened enclosed patio. They also have some plexiglass coverings that cover all of these screens. So if you wanted to sort of do a greenhouse in the wintertime, keep your plants, bring some of your indoor plants out, keep it nice and warm and be able to enjoy the space, you have that option here as well. New ceiling fan outside, plenty of space out here. Oh, sorry about that. Out onto the deck here, we have a wonderful trex decking back here, fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence with the side gate over here. Let me go ahead, well, I'll go through the garage and show you that part in one second. We have a new hot tub that conveys. So if you've always wanted a hot tub, here's your chance. Now let me take you over here. This was the entryway to the park that I was telling you about. So this is just awesome if you have littles, just to have this right off of your backyard. It's like having a playground in your own backyard. Here we go. Here's the side view of the park. Just wonderful. Nice and relaxing back here. They've got the hammock already set up for you. It's just ready to go back here. Ready for spring and summer and lots of entertaining all your friends and family. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the garage and I wanted to show you the beautiful paver driveway as well. Again, I'll give you a view from this light. And let me walk you back through this beautiful kitchen. And then I'm going to show you the garage. So they've done a little conversion in the garage. We do have a pantry as well. I didn't want to miss that right off the kitchen here. So they have converted the garage space. This is 130 extra square feet of living space. It is heated and cooled. They utilize it as an office space. It could be a great playroom, a yoga room, a gym, an office as they have it set up as. So this is just a wonderful bonus feature if you need that little bit of extra space in a 3-bedroom home, such as an office or a gym. So you do still have lots of storage space and workshop space as well. All right, I didn't want to miss this beautiful paver driveway and walkways. They've just done it all here. It's just gorgeous. It definitely gives it a nice, complete, finished look. So let us know if you have anybody who's looking in this area and would love to see it, or if you'd like a private showing. It's a gorgeous one. It's ready to go, completely updated, and this one won't last.